In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Google Chrome with password. By the end, you'll have Chrome set to ask for a password before anyone can use it on your computer. Start by opening Google Chrome. We're going to grab a small add-on from the official Chrome web store that adds a lock screen to your browser. In the address bar, search for Chrome Web Store, then click the official result to open it. You'll know you're in the right place when you see Google's extension marketplace with a search bar at the top. Inside the store, type Chrome Lock into the search box. You'll see a list of extensions that can lock your browser or require a password. Pick one that clearly states it locks Chrome or requires a password at startup. Take a quick moment to check the star rating, number of users, and recent reviews, so you choose something that's well-maintained and trustworthy. Click the extension you want, then hit the Add to Chrome button. A small dialog will pop up asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you may see a brief notification when it's ready. If the extension lists permissions, skim them so you understand what access it needs to provide the lock feature. Once it's installed, the extension will typically open a setup page or a small window asking you to create a password. Enter a strong, memorable password, then re-enter it to confirm. Aim for something you won't forget, but avoid reusing sensitive passwords you use for important accounts. A short passphrase made of a few random words can work really well and is easy to remember. After you've typed your password twice, click Save. The extension should confirm your settings. To see it in action, close Chrome completely and then open it again. You should now be greeted by a lock screen. Type the password you just created, press Enter, and you'll be back in your browser as usual. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the interface you see looks a little different, don't worry. Extensions vary slightly. Just follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the password. Keep your password safe and consider writing down a hint for yourself if the extension offers one. Also remember that a browser lock extension is a helpful deterrent, but it isn't a substitute for locking your computer account when you step away. Used together, they provide a much better layer of privacy. That's it. Your Chrome is now locked with a password. Thanks for watching and enjoy the added peace of mind when you browse.